Hey, good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, December 20th, 2024. It's 9:28 on the East Coast. This is your host, Joseph, with Smart Money Traders. We're going to be looking at the market together today and see how we can make sense of this beast. So, give me a minute to just go over the disclaimer. Again, uh, this is not investment advice. This is not, a signal stream where we're gonna give you what to buy, tell you what to buy, what to sell. But this is just for educational purposes only, and to really create this space so people can come together and as a community and look at the market uh, together. So, with that said, we're gonna dive in real quick into the pre-market here. I mean, we have only like a few seconds left as far as pre-market. But as you can see here, this market's been going down. We have a 30-minute chart on the bottom right, so which I'm gonna make bigger. So this market's been going down since Wednesday after the FOMC announcement, and yesterday we kind of chopped around a little bit, but still going down toward the end of the day. Overnight, we tried to go up, went down. Now we're going back up. So to me, probably still remain a little bearish on this market. But at the same time, today being Friday, that could be a time that they use to pack, just cash out all those profits that they took from this move down. So if that's the case, we can see a bullish day today. Right now, 9:30 market just open, so we're not gonna be touching it anyway. But we're gonna see probably a lot of gyration here between these two levels. And if anything goes above this, we'll probably see it higher. Below here, we're probably gonna go lower. This is a trend line I just put on today. That trend line, which was a bearish trend line, got broken. So that's another reason we can look at structure why this market may be going higher. But I would probably want to wait for a pullback to hit this zone and turn around if we get it. This was the S&P. Now let's look at the NQ, the NASDAQ. Same scenario. You know, this trend line here got broken, or barely broke the trend line on the Nasdaq, and now we're looking at probably some selling. This was support. Now it's resistance. Support. Support was right here. Now we got resistance now coming this way. Past support becomes future resistance. Classic um, technical analysis. So let's see what happened here. I mean, again, I sense it today we may get a bullish day because when you look at this market going down this Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday, that was Monday. Monday was a nice bullish day. Then it topped out on Tuesday, tank on Wednesday. Kind of continuation between late Thursday into this morning, and at 7:30 this morning they started reversing it. Again, there's a lot of chance here we can see a bullish day today, so we're gonna be open to both directions, but keeping in mind, why today could be a bullish day. Um, so with that said, we don't usually take any position anywhere before 9:35, so we're gonna be waiting and see what the market give us here. Okay, what's going on? Let me refresh this chart here. Okay, chart has been refreshed. And it's really a resistance here. We wouldn't want to be buying here, so we would want to see a pullback or break of this level, come back and test it and go higher. So we'll definitely be waiting here. Yeah, I want to see a break of this pivot. That top left chart, and then a pullback. Will we get this pullback? I'm not sure. There you go, getting the pullback. So we may be ready to go long here. Let's see.
Order filled.
We got long at 1375. I think here we waiting for that second pullback could have been better, but let's see if we can still get at least to our first target here. Yeah, see that second pullback. Probably this spot gonna get us out here. Oh, almost got us out. Almost got us. If we survive this trade, it's because we have the simulation stop in. Because you probably touch it. Or 850. If I look at this low here, it's probably 0850. Yeah, the low was 0850. So let's see if we can get back on here to going higher. See, this is why you don't always know you're gonna get that double pullback. You know, you don't always know that you're gonna get it, but this is why it's better to wait for it because you got a pullback here. So probably get taken out here anyway.
Stop filled.
Got stopped out. But again, we got that second pullback. If we got in here at 11, probably would have been out of break even. So we got one stop out so far. Yeah, I mean we're still bullish in this market. It doesn't matter of okay when will it go. But also we're getting some resistance here too. So here another entry could have been possible here, and then the first target would have gotten hit. So since I was showing that pullback, I wasn't in place to take advantage of it. Yeah, it's a nice winner here, but again, talking I didn't execute it. I mean, half the battle in trading, executing your plan. You know, you can have a great system, you can have a great set of a strategy, you know, but if you can execute the strategy in an efficient manner, you're not gonna make any money. So right now we're waiting for a pullback. We still would like to see a pullback here. And probably the next bar up here because we got a couple bars of a pullback. So let's see
Order
if we
submitted.
can get this if we can see a higher movement here. Yeah, see the NQ is a little cleaner at the moment, but let's see if we can, yes, here. Uh, the ultimate target will be 33, I think. Okay.
Target.
We got the first target. Again, our first trade, all it was a poorly timed trade. If I waited for that
Target
second pullback,
filled.
like I usually do, if I waited for this would have been a break-even trade. Going here, definitely this is a nice monster move up. And we got this one here. So I think I'm gonna go much higher here. But I wanted to, yeah, 33. We may see like some kind of push down here at 33 and a half. And based on that, we'll so again, waiting for a pullback to keep going higher here. We definitely need we need that pullback. Go. That's deep enough. Sometimes if this pullback is deep enough, you may not have to wait for that second pullback. But it looks like it's, yeah, there you go. That's going to give you something deeper here. We'll take that. If it goes all the way to 15 and a half, we'll take it. Ooh, maybe this was it. Okay, now it's ranging. It's ranging like this. And I think whichever way it breaks here, if it breaks above 26 and a quarter, probably gonna go higher. But I don't really like this movement here. So I think we may have some more down move here. Let's wait and see. In trading, when in doubt, you just wait. Because the market was going to show you what to do anyway. So I think right now, definitely want to be cautious here. If it comes back down, give me another U-turn, then I may be more comfortable with that.
Order submitted.
All right, let's see if we can get along here. Okay.
Order canceled.
We got canceled because we didn't get that U-turn. Okay. Right now the trend is kind of going down at the moment. And that's why I said this breakout level here that happened about 415, 15 and a half. If it comes back down to there, I would like to see let's see if we see a U-turn there. Yeah, this will definitely be a place to try to go long, but everything is pointing down at the moment, so let's just be patient here. So far, 1-on-1, we got 2 entries, one loser and one winner. And again, the loser was because timing wise, we were kind of off. It wasn't direction wise. We were still kind of like, okay, this market's going higher, but came back down and tagged us out here by about a point and a half. And then now it's doing this. So we'll wait and see what we get here. Okay, this is the level we think. Okay, if we get a U-turn here, we may go higher. Now, if we go below this, okay, there you go. See, this is the buying we thought we could see here. Now, what I'd like to see, give me a couple negative bars without making a new low. Then we can go higher. Okay, let's wait and see. Here you go. I think we're gonna go buy up
Order
close here.
submitted. Order
There you
filled.
go. We're bound to up close. For us to get out of this trade, we have to make a new
Target filled.
first target got hit here. I think based on how
Stop
we
filled.
got stopped out in the second. Break even, which is fine. I'm gonna try this again.
Order
here.
submitted. Order filled.
There you go. That second target, we're gonna make it an extended one because of the momentum here. We're looking at the momentum, at least to that pivot here at the 31, if we can get there. That doesn't mean we're gonna get there. Actually, we get stopped out in this trade, but if we can get there, why not?
Order filled.
Once again, there's something going on with my NDT. Every time I got a signal, because my target, my stop wouldn't be hit yet. Because I got a 19 and a quarter, no, 21 and 21 and a quarter, and I got stopped at 17. My stop was at 16. So something is going on with my NDT. I gotta get that fixed here. But still would have been a full loss in a sense, but it's better than a full loss. But something is not right with my NDT. When I get to okay, well, it looks like we're going lower. NDT. And so far we got 2 winners and 2 losers. Looks like we're going lower now. So let's put this on the 30-minute on the ES. If that's who wants to go lower, we want to be there with it. Got the NQ down there in the middle. That's definitely pointing lower. So now we're really looking for the spank background and the biases to the downside. So maybe we'll get a double pullback on the upside here, and then we can engage short. So if we get something like this, and the bias coming in here was the bias was to the upside, because there's a lot of reasons. Because we have everything's been going down the last couple of days. We were cashing out today, so but it looks like they already cashed out on that leg up, so they want to push it lower. So we're gonna be there for it if that's the case. Again, Want to wait for a pullback here to go lower. Oh, maybe not get much of a pullback. There you go. There you go. We don't get that pullback. So now we're at the VWAP. That could be a bounce point here. Um, Now, again, this VWAP here could be used as a bounce point to go to the upside. So we got an up bar here. Definitely looking like, I want to go higher here. Let's see. Lost the C2. All right. Okay, give me a couple more bars, pull back in the U-turn, then we'll go higher. Because right now the structure, the microstructure here is to the upside. But I'd like to see a bar to the upside here. Let's see.
Order submitted.
There's your bar. By your bar
Order
close.
canceled.
Okay. All right, we're going lower. It's a good thing we had we're still playing around that VWAP. So still one here we can go higher.
Order submitted.
Because we had a pivot VWAP. So
order canceled.
Okay. We got canceled. That's fine. So when I'm looking at this chart here, which I wasn't paying much attention to, this was the double pullback to go short to the downside. We got it here. I was looking for it over here. By that time, it was already too late. All right. Now we want to go higher to go lower. Let's see. Is that what we're gonna get here?
Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order canceled.
Okay, we got cancel.
Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order canceled.
We got cancel here again. Hey. That's why we place those sell-stop orders, because the market needs to be going your way to get in. That doesn't mean it's always going to be a winner, but also you're going to avoid a lot of losers that way. Because I've just, hey, let me just short it right here at the VWAP, because right now it would be down, basically all out of the trade with a loss. So right now we're looking at a reversal. It looks like we're reversing to the upside. So now we may be looking for longs. And that's happening aggressively too. So one of the ways that you can know, hey, this market is going one way or the other, is the aggression, the level of aggression you see in the move. A move like this aggressive, hey, so, they definitely want to keep the pressure on the sellers here. So right now, sorry, my voice is a little bit, let me get a sip of tea. Next U-turn to the upside here, we'll probably engage through the upside.
Order filled.
All right, let's see if we can get to our first target at least here. Oh, wow. You know what? Yeah, I wasn't. we're gonna go higher here. And then get to the next pivot, which was 31, I think.
Target filled.
Yeah, we're gonna let this thing. If it's gonna run, we're gonna let it run. Let it run.
Stop filled.
Okay, got stopped on the second contract.
Order submitted.
Can we get another bar up here to go higher?
Order canceled.
Okay, negative bar, cancel the order. So right now we definitely want to be looking at the
Order submitted.
the up direction here. There you go. We got taken in. Target's about to over at least to break even, no? Nope, not yet. Almost got there. We're up 2 points.
Target.
Okay, got the first target. Let's see if this one will run this time. See if we can get a runner this morning. Usually I got the second target. 5 points is not, it's not a bad thing, but can we get a good 10, 15 point runner today?
Stop filled.
Got stopped out again here. So that just tells me there's a lot of back and forth around this level, which is not surprising because this is my line in the sand. So above this, we're going to be looking for longs, and below we should be looking for shorts. But let's see, can we do a
Order
back up
submitted.
close here again? It's 9:56. If this one gets filled here, we'll probably want. If it doesn't get filled, we'll wait after 10 to take a position. I don't believe there's any major news today. Is there? Yeah, because last time I checked, there wasn't. Yeah, we had the core retail sales this morning. Okay. Oh, everything was negative. Okay. Yeah, it's about.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's see if we can get to this. We're trying to see if we can get a run at the 31 here, close to 31. It's not 57. I think here, technically, we can give this 1 or 2 more ticks because we don't want to get ticked out here. Looks like we're about to get taken out here. 9:58. Less than 2 minutes to 10 o'clock. Once again, if we survive this, a couple of reasons we survive this. We have that sim stop in place. You touch it, but then it really actually fail. Looks like it's gonna take us out now this time around. And also we give it a couple more ticks because of the swing. Because it was right at this swing, we say let's give it 2 more ticks, but doesn't look like it's gonna work out. But it may. You never know.
Stop filled.
Okay, we got stopped out here. So yeah, I was just gonna wait for 10 o'clock to see what happens. Yeah, here's the 10 o'clock push. Yeah. Once again, they do this all the time. Top of the hour, they flush some people, then they're gonna bring it higher here.
Order
See if
submitted.
we can get, if we go higher here.
Order filled.
Yeah, there you go. See this little
Stop.
swing here. Alright, so it's like they keep coming to those swings and take people out. And that's what they're doing to me now. Because here, my stop was right exact right here. They come back right to the stop and take me out. Alright. Yeah, timing's been off. Last couple of trades here. Now, would be chasing it. At this point, to already move a good 6 points. So now we'd need some kind of pullback before we be engaging. On this bar, we had a little pullback, but we want to buy something deeper here.
Order canceled.
Okay.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, we got a cancellation here. Yeah.
Order submitted.
And we'll get another bar to the upside here, then we'll go long. We'll go long if we get another one. Let's see. '20th. Today's the 20th, right?
Order canceled. Order submitted.
This is the place right here to go long. That's the
Order filled.
double pullback here. Oh no. Okay, 3 losses in a row here. We'll definitely take a break or even stop trading because we're not. We have 2 losses in a row. Let's see if we can. This works out. It works out. If it doesn't, we might take. We might call it the day early today because both losses, the last 2 losses, we got taken on by a tick. Like this one's by a tick. This one maybe by 1 point or a point and a half. It wasn't by much, so kind of seeing the direction right, but timing wise, it's a little off. So, and you gotta recognize that. When the timing is not there, you're like, okay, the timing is not there. Let me take a step back. Right now, we definitely call this market. Say, hey, because Friday market's been going down all week. We thought we could see a bullish day today, but and we break the pivot and just accelerate to the upside here. We don't know. This market's been going back and forth. We've been looking for that runner the last few trades. Can we get that runner down? There you go. Okay. We've been looking for that runner for a while now, so it looks like we're getting it this time around. Okay. So basically, if I had my second target in place, I would have gotten hit already. So, and also now I've captured more points than I would have with my second target. So I was captured almost 7 points here. Normally my second target is about 5.5 points. So this is the one we were looking for earlier, but now they decide to give it to us. It's the thing on this market. Timing is everything. You hear it all the time. Timing is everything, but with trading the market, we'll teach you that. About 8 points on the second. Matter of fact, we may even get this thing more room because we don't know if it's gonna break this. So everything we're capturing right now is gravy.
Stop
There you
filled.
go. Everything is gravy. So there you go. We got a nice little runner here on the second contract. Now this market's probably gonna pause for much higher. Let's see. Yeah. Definitely would like to see pullback. Maybe below the swing, pulls back and come back around. It's a really shallow pullback here. Yeah, would like to see something deeper and then go to the upside. Let's see if we can do that. If we can get that here, then we can go long again. See, okay. Buying an up close right here.
Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order canceled.
Okay, I want to cancel because we got a negative bar.
Order submitted.
Try this again. Once again, this
Order
was
canceled.
break here. That was resistance. So if it becomes support here, I'm not gonna be surprised at all.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay. NQ is going lower. Like right now, we may see some more down movement here. When you look at the NQ, you're looking at the failure to make a new high. That tells me, hey, we might be exhausted up here. Looking for a short here might be the way. Let's see.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get down here.
Order canceled.
Okay, order got canceled.
Order filled.
There you go. Can't be married to that position, to your bias. I mean, you gotta recognize when the market changes. That clearly was going lower here, so that's why we went short. When we get to this support level, it got taken out.
Target filled.
Target got taken in, taken out. So can't be married to the. Waiting for a pullback, probably back again to around the 20 level. If we can get a pullback toward the 20 level, 59.20, then a U-turn would make sense. And we may not get that either. So that's something to keep in mind. Well, this momentum and order flow here it's telling me that we might be, once we get these two big wicks up here, telling me the buyers might be done. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. That pushing the 20. 59.20. Let's see how it responds to that. Okay, the book is breaking it. Definitely some selling's happening right now. So let's see if it can sustain it, or they're getting run over by the buyers at the moment. So that's right, 20 definitely was a level that the market could have stopped, but it didn't stop. So if you got a sell order here, you're basically out of this trade. In a couple more ticks, you're out. So waiting for whatever idea that you have to materialize in trading is key. Again, your strategy, your systems, they're all good, but the ability to execute those systems and strategies and have those rules in place, that's what's going to save you. And really, the amount of money you're going to make or lose will really depend on your ability to follow that system. Not so much the system itself, but the ability to follow it. Like right now, we wanted to short it, but clearly now, it's not a short anymore. That's why trading at the right edge is important. I can scroll back here and tell you everything that happened and why it happened, but those decisions were made at the right edge. That's really what's important here. So at the moment, we will not be chasing this, but waiting for a pullback here to engage long might be, something that we do. This pullback obviously is a little too shallow for me. to my liking, but let's wait and see if we can get something lower. But we may not. We may just keep going like this. Okay, we got this fight here at the level that we identified earlier, 3350. So, and ideally here, we'd like to see a pullback, maybe toward 26, 27. If we get that pullback here, we can, have a chance to go along. But at the moment, we could try to fade this move too. But because the momentum to the upside is so strong, I think we don't want to get run over here either. So, counter trend trading can be profitable, but it's got to be done in context. Looks like we're breaking to the upside. Once again, here I really don't want to take a long here. We need a deeper pullback for me to take a long. Because we still have right in that resistance zone. So just gonna have to wait. Yeah, this is why I don't want to take a long here. Okay, looks like we're going higher now. I still don't like it. Still don't like it. And we are pushing that big resistance area as well. So. Well, resistance are there to be are meant to be broken too eventually. So, seeing this here. All right, there you go. Because my feeling here, I'm looking at the order flow, some buyers getting trapped up here. Buyers are getting trapped up here. So I don't want to be one of them. And trying to sell here is almost, hey, hoping that the sellers can push it down. And hope is not a strategy in trading. So it's gonna stay. Like my buddy Jimmy says, I'm gonna stay hip, hands in pocket. Move this over here so we could see together what kind of order flow action we're getting here. Yeah, as you can see, buyers, sellers are getting aggressive. There's a lot of buying and selling happening here. Obviously, this is why you see all this back and forth here. But magenta aggressive sellers. The cyan is aggressive buyers. So as you can see here, very, very like a stalemate. Make this bigger. Look at up here, it's a stalemate. There's no lots of back and forth here. Something like that. And if I had to bet on one side that's gonna be winning based on this, the buyers can win because they have the momentum behind them. There are more people here, but also there's some people. If you got trap up here, you may not get rescued. They may go all the way down. I'll turn it around to 20. If you're a weak buyer up here, you're gonna get tortured here too. You may get tortured, meaning they may bring price all the way back down, tag you out, because your stop's probably down here at 30. If your stop is at 30, they may come back down to your stop just to stop you out, and then turn it around. So it'll be interesting to see how the market reacts to 30. Let me put a line right here. Okay, so this line here will tell me, keep an eye on that one. So I'm not interested in the trade right now until we get maybe below 30 and turn around. Or if we're going to go below 30 and doesn't turn around and keep going down, we may go short. But right now it's just a big range. So range between 32 and 37, which is not that much of a big range, but it's been happening for the last let's see, for the last 6 minutes. 30, between 30 and 37, last 6-7 minutes. So we'll wait and see here. Looks like the buyers are winning that fight. Buyers are winning the fight. Yeah. It's a pretty big delta here. Delta is the difference between the aggressive buying and the aggressive selling. So the number of contracts that are aggressively bought and aggressively sold. So it's 500 on the in this bar it was 550 in the buyer's favor. So it's telling me the buyers are winning. I mean, obviously the price has moved up. I just wasn't comfortable buying here, you know. So after the fact, you can say, "Oh yeah, I should have bought here," but you don't know that until it happened. So now what we're looking for a pullback. We're still looking for that pullback. Now we got buyers have been cleared out the sellers up here. Now that same line here that was the resistance may become support. Put another blue line here. So can they come back to about 38 and give me an entry? If they do that, we may engage long. Even though we're no resistance zone, granted. But today's range, let me look at this. Today's range is 312 ticks, which is 75. Let's call it 78 points. So the typical range over the last 5 days have been 334. So meaning we're really in a place where we don't have much more room to go based on the daily average here over the last 5 days. So that's another reason to be cautious here. So we really have about 6 more points to go higher. And 6 more points, guess what? It's 59.50. That's a number definitely can use to turn this market around. So should we get that? We had a little shallow of a pullback here, but wasn't to my liking. Yeah, we'll have to come to 38, but it's probably not gonna turn around that anymore like that. Everything is green. Well, they're pumping it up. They're running up the score. Those buyers, huh? So we had the next resistance zone. Now, what we're looking for here? I remember we said we're already above that 352. We're already above the 5-day range and well above the 10-day range. Yesterday's range was actually pretty decent, so we may match with yesterday's range. If we do, we're looking at part of the 15 points to the upside here. So we gotta take all these things into account. How much more room we may have here? Yeah, we may have another 15 points here. So, but yeah, this mess kind of really made me stay away. Now, have I been in down here? Yeah, probably kept stay in the trade, but this mess kind of made me stay away from it. You know, but yeah, I think we need a pullback here, maybe too. Yeah, there's a pullback probably. Here's a sell off. Sellers are coming in strong here. Well, it was just a temporary push down. I think that's what that was here. Yeah, we're really pushing higher. And so, what do you do in a market like this? It's really got a couple of shallow pullbacks here. This was too shallow for me. Yeah, might be done for the day. 10:30. So we got the initial balance just formed. So meaning here we may see a fade here. We may see a fade to the downside, especially this market being extended like this. This is very, very extended. So really wouldn't want to be trying to buy here. If I'm in the buy, definitely want to trail your stop higher. But buying here, it's very, very dangerous. As a matter of fact, if we see a bar down, in the order flow here, complete bar down, and a retest with a failure to make a new high, we may go short. It'd be counter trend, yeah. But we're trading probabilities. What is the probability that, see this? This is why, you got rules. I need to see a negative bar. This is because for this bar to be negative, I got a range of 16, 15 range bar. So then, if we get a pullback here that fail, we may go short. We may go short here. This market's overextended. It then fell. Let's see. Yeah, it kind of hit the same level.
Order submitted.
Order here.
Order canceled.
Cancel. Yeah. There you go. This market keep running it up here. Mm-hmm. 10:32 on a Friday. Let me see if there's any question in the chat. Doesn't look like we have any questions. Thanks for watching. Thanks for really supporting the stream. And it means a lot to me. I appreciate it. And okay, there you go. Some selling here. Looking at the same scenario here. If we can get a retest of this without making a higher high, see, this is the selling. Let's do a retest. Yeah, let's try to go higher and fail. Then we may Let me try to sell it right here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, we got filled. And counter trend trade. Kind of risky. All trades are risky. Some are riskier than others. But here, we're looking at a position where this market but should be retracing. But let's see if we can take advantage of that.
Target
got
filled.
First target hit. Let's see if the second target may get hit at 38. What is it? 67, 66, 3/4. Looks like we're getting there. We might get to the target before the stop. Let's see. This is not something I would recommend anybody that's not experienced, because here there was a high probability. Once we fail to make that new high,
target filled.
Target got filled. Thank you very much. So when we failed to make that new high and that little pullback here, and the entry being here was very highly that we could get trend to the downside. And also remember, we're looking at the ATR for the day, but the daily range. Daily range over the last 5 days. It's 344. We're already at 452. So even over yesterday. So we definitely hyperextended. So that's why we did what we did here. So as you can see, this market has been very, very hyperextended. So market coming down here, it's not a surprise. This is support at 71. We may get if we get a U-turn here, another short may not be the bad thing. Now the slow trend line got broken, so that's something to be aware of. So we may make a new high here. We may make a new high, but taking this little counter trend trade here, was kind of was a high risk trade, but it paid off because understanding the dynamics of the daily range, the market was overextended. Now we're going back to that resistance level again. So let's see. See here, we got a big wick on this range bar here. Lots of selling. Again, can we get a retest to 73? Can we get a retest close to this green line here? Okay, All right, 72, 72 and a half and a quarter. Okay. Could this be the
Order
U-turn?
submitted.
Could this be the U-turn to the downside here? We'll find out.
Order
We
filled.
got taken in. Definitely. It's about to get to our first target, it looks like. Maybe not. Not so fast. So what we're going to do here, since we have up close to 2 points here, reduce our risk a little bit here. Or should we? Because the markets are volatile right now, so you want to definitely give it the room that it needs to move. But at the same time, if you are long in this trade, you want to get out as soon as you can. I'm going to stick with my emergency stop for now, because it's ranging here. We already got close to move to break even here, but we didn't. There you go.
Target filled.
Got hit. Go. We may give it some more room. Because if this thing break this blue line, we may end for like a nice little rundown here. If we can get it, we'll take it.
Stop filled.
Okay, got stopped out in profit in the second. Might take one last trade here and see if we can go. Oh, kind of missed the entry here, but and sometimes missing those entries and it'll be a bad thing. Because right now we're still kind of in flux, Still kind of in flux here. So when I'm selling, I want to sell as high as I can and buying as low as I can. As you can see right here. 59.5 was going to be my entry, but 16, I said 59? No, 69.5. So once again here, maybe another bar down here. It's ranging. And it's really close to the support level too. So if it goes back to 73 and turn around, then I'll feel better taking a short. Okay, but we're getting alignment to the upside now, though. So short is off the table for now. Okay. And I got to 74.5 and shoot down maybe close to 3 points, but it's going higher now. Momentum and everything else is to the upside here. So short for now is off the table. Yeah. Buyers are winning. So okay, got some sellers. Honestly, here a long may not be a bad idea because we're having, even though we've overextended, but sellers are coming here in this pivot. The likelihood of them getting one over is very high. So because that means if they have to bring it all the way back up like this, I mean, you guys didn't have enough strength to bring it up, to bring it all the way down either. So meaning the buyers are still in charge here. Um, definitely ranging here though. So I'm being careful here. There's enough room for the first target here going to the if I were to go long here at 75, but just don't like it that much. Could be buying within like 5 points of the high. So okay, looks like we wants to go lower here. Hmm. Yeah. I know I didn't like this long up here. Yeah, this one was just waiting for a pullback, maybe to tend to try short. Yeah, buyers are getting aggressive, but again,
Order submitted.
We're gonna go short here if we get a negative bar. That's 70. 3/4 is our entry.
Order filled.
Okay, got filled. Let's see if we can at least get to the first target here. One tick here, a couple of ticks up there.
Order canceled.
This
Order
is what
filled.
I get because I got a I don't know. What does this signal with the Raptor here? This thing just canceled on me. I'm not sure why it does that because my stop was up here. Maybe I need to stop. For now, I'm gonna use. Yeah, well, manually place my trade now because the NDT there's something going on with it. I need to figure out. And this could be a blessing in disguise, but that's not what my plan was. My plan was to get out of this trade above this swing. For whatever reason, whenever counter signal get produced in the Raptor, which I don't have it on the Raptor at all. It's not even the oh, look at this. It's not even, the Raptor has nothing in there as far as strategy, because my strategy is right here attached to this chart so I can quickly go long or short based on that Unirenko chart. It's okay though. No, it did save me a couple points. Can't complain about that, but as a whole, I need to get the bottom of this. We're at the session high, so some selling coming in now. Let's see. Which is to be expected. You're at the high of the session, so people that bought up here earlier, now they probably taken out of the long position, saying, "Hey, you know what? I don't want to be long anymore." So I got rescued now. That's why you see some fresh selling coming in here now. So, and also people trying to sell the high. We're trying to sell the high, but if there's a setup here, we may take it. I would like to see a pullback toward the high here, and then a failure. I mean, and DT is the fact that I don't have to be. See those buyers right here at 178 contracts here. If this market doesn't go up quickly, they're probably gonna give up and sell the position because look at the moment they're kind of trapped here. Oh, there you go. There you go. There's that push up. Okay. It's 10:55, almost 11 on a Friday. It's probably time I'm thinking about wrapping up the stream for now. Um, we had streaming wise, was a decent week. We had the first couple of days of the week we didn't stream because I was still under the weather. Still really not 100%, but much better. Now we got some selling here. Could this be the swan song for this market? Could this be the swan song? Yeah. Go higher, fail to make a new high, turn around, and then we may try short here. But Wednesday, Thursday, and today we yesterday was definitely a really really frustrating day when it comes to execution. Where I was having execution, so my data was lagging and all kind of stuff. Which really, when I went back over my trade, I'm like, well, this was a clearly winning day, but it wasn't. Everything went as planned, and this is what happened in life in general. But in the markets, things may not go as planned. Things may not go as planned. But again, what I'd like to see here something higher for a little bit and then come back down, but it doesn't look like we may not get that. We may not get the pullback. There you go. See, keep going lower. But again, selling right here would have been okay, but really wasn't the fit or plan. The plan was for it to go back, give me a failure, and then boom. So you gotta have some rules, and those rules sometimes, the market's gonna go without you because of them. But a lot of times they're gonna be protecting you as well, protect your capital. So, which is the number one thing we need to do as traders, is capital preservation. The winners will take care of themselves. It's just limiting the losses. That's the number one job. So, going back to talking about the streaming this week. Yeah, yesterday was definitely a very kind of frustrating day. Execution wise, I was seeing things right, but the result didn't line up because I had a couple, 2 or 3 times at least, with my data and things just weren't working the right way. But anyway, okay, now we can see here this market might want to go lower. Now that's where's the resistance. Now it's going to become support. So we may see a bounce here to the upside here too. Now if we see a bounce up, yeah, let's say it goes up here at the blue line, turn around, or even turn around right here. We may attempt a short here. I may have to type a short right over
Order
here.
order
There you
filled.
go. Got a short. Let's see if we can get lower here. That'll be our last trade. Win, lose, or draw. It's almost 11. Well, typically I don't take trade this close to the top of the hour. I was not really looking. This could work to our advantage. Well, we see we got a quick winner here, or we can get a quick loser. So hopefully it's the latter. There you go. It's like things are lining up here to go lower, but it's 11 o'clock. There you go.
Target
First bracket got hit. And then get to that second target. Can we make it to that second one down here? 68 and a quarter. Second contract got hit here for a break even. So at least we got the first target on here. Again, overall this market is bullish, so every short trade that we take at this area is basically a counter trend trade, but we're really trying to be nimble and calculated. I mean, here again could be the bar down here at 73 and a quarter would be a short trade for me, but now it would have canceled because we got a positive bar. Here we're really like in the sell zone. This market is overextended, close to the high on a Friday. So we may see some more up movement too. But here I definitely favor the short. So I went to this. So with that said, I'm gonna end the stream. And hopefully you guys made some money today. I made it a little bit. I'm on the positive a little bit here. But we had some early losses that kind of prevented us to really make the kind of gains we could have made today. But that's just part of the market. As long as you get to play again on Monday, that'll be fine. So it's 11:02 Friday, December 20th, 2024. I'm gonna sign off. Thank you again for watching. I'll be trading at least, I think the most, let me just say the most 2 more days next week, which is going to be Monday and Tuesday, the 23rd and the 24th. 24th, by the way, the market closed early anyway, so that I may just turn the stream, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing much trading. Then I'll probably come back on the 2nd of January for the new year. So we made a new high. So this market wants to keep going higher. With that said, have a good weekend. God bless. Spend time with your loved ones and your family. And we'll catch up on Monday. Bye-bye.